Let's talk about how to get rid of eczema naturally. If you suffer from this skin condition, then you know how frustrating it is because it can be so itchy and painful, and you might even find it difficult sleeping at night. Now, some people who have eczema may respond well to certain medications that are out there, but many others don't. And what's more is that these medications usually come with many unwanted side effects. So today I'd like to show you a more natural way to help relieve your eczema by using herbs and remedies which you can use regularly without the worry of any side effects. So first of all, let me explain what eczema actually is. Eczema is an inflammatory skin condition, and this can manifest in several different ways, such as atopic dermatitis, contact dermatitis, and nummular eczema. Today we'll focus mainly on atopic dermatitis, which is the most common type. And this is usually genetic, where one parent passes on a gene to their child, making them more susceptible to developing this condition. This type is normally characterized by very itchy skin and also dry and cracked skin. And sometimes it can become infected with bacteria, causing impetigo, which will make the eczema worse. Some other types of eczema include contact dermatitis, which is often caused by an allergy to something you touch. And then there's nummular eczema, which appears as round coins on the skin and can be very itchy. Now, although this condition cannot be cured, there are ways to control it and calm down the itchiness and inflammation. Now, in order for me to recommend the best natural treatments for you, I need to let you know that I am not a doctor, and this video is for educational purposes only. With that said, let's take a look at 7 herbs and remedies that can be used to treat eczema naturally. The first remedy on my list is oatmeal. Oatmeal contains anti-inflammatory compounds that soothe irritated skin, and it has been used for thousands of years for treating eczema. To use oatmeal for eczema, you can add ground oatmeal into a bath and soak in it for around 20 minutes. This will cool and calm inflamed skin, or you can grind oatmeal into a powder and mix it into your regular soap when washing your hands. Another alternative is to add oatmeal to your washing machine to soften your clothes and reduce the risk of your skin reacting badly to detergents. No, 2 is aloe vera. This plant has been used for centuries to heal wounds and burns. Due to its powerful anti-inflammatory properties, you can buy pure aloe vera gel in health food stores. Apply this directly onto the affected area and leave it on for about 30 minutes before rinsing. You can do this daily to improve the appearance of your skin. It will take time, but if you keep at it, you should see improvements in your skin. The next herb on our list is turmeric. This is an amazing golden-colored spice which has powerful anti-inflammatory and antiseptic properties. Turmeric contains a compound called curcumin, and this is responsible for giving it its medicinal properties. Studies have shown that curcumin is as effective as certain anti-inflammatory medications, but with less side effects. You can sprinkle turmeric powder onto your oatmeal baths, or you can make a paste with turmeric powder and water and apply this topically onto the affected areas. Leave it on for 30 minutes before rinsing thoroughly, and be sure not to get any in your eyes. You can purchase turmeric in most supermarkets or health food stores. If you find this information useful, please hit the like button and subscribe to stay updated with my latest health and nutrition tips. Coming back now to No. 4, which is coconut oil. When applied to the skin, this oil prevents moisture loss and helps to restore the skin's natural barrier function. It has also been found to help prevent and treat bacterial skin infections. Coconut oil contains a substance called monolaurin, which has been shown to inhibit the herpes simplex virus type 1. In addition, it also has antifungal and antibacterial properties. You can use coconut oil as a moisturizer after coming out of the bath. Be sure to use organic raw coconut oil for the best results. Now, the next herb on my list is tea tree oil. The active ingredient in tea tree oil, called terpenophorol, has been shown to have potent antimicrobial activity against many different types of bacteria, fungi, and viruses. For this reason, tea tree oil is often used as a natural antiseptic to treat minor cuts, scrapes, and insect bites. Due to its anti-inflammatory properties, it has also been shown to be effective at treating acne. A study showed that it was as effective as the main ingredient found in prescription acne medications. It has also been shown to be effective against certain types of eczema, such as nummular eczema and seborrheic dermatitis. You can dilute tea tree oil with a carrier oil like coconut oil and apply it topically to the affected area. Always do a patch test first before using this oil. And the final herb on my list is calendula. This beautiful orange flower has been used for centuries to heal wounds and skin irritations. Calendula contains anti-inflammatory and anti-allergy compounds which help to soothe the skin. Studies have shown that it helps to prevent the release of histamine, which is a chemical which causes inflammation and allergic reactions. This makes it perfect for soothing irritated skin. You can purchase calendula cream or ointment from health food stores and apply this topically to the affected area several times throughout the day. Finally, let's take a look at apple cider vinegar. Although not an herb, this is a very popular home remedy for relieving itching associated with eczema. Simply dilute apple cider vinegar with water 50/50 and apply to a cotton ball or a cloth and dab onto the affected area. Apple cider vinegar is slightly acidic, and this can help to stop the growth of fungus and bacteria, which could be irritating the skin. It also helps to balance the pH of your skin, and this in turn can strengthen your skin's natural defenses. Now that you've learned about these natural ways to treat eczema, I want to give you some general tips on how to reduce flare-ups. First of all, pay attention to what you eat and avoid processed foods, sugar, refined flour, and vegetable oils. Eat plenty of oily fish like salmon, sardines, and mackerel, and also take a high-quality omega-3 fatty acid supplement. Oily fish and omega-3 south are rich in anti-inflammatory fats, which will help to reduce inflammation throughout your body, including your skin. Also cut back on dairy products, as these are often difficult to digest and can lead to an increase in inflammation throughout the body. Try cutting out dairy for 2 weeks and see if it improves your skin. If it does, then it's likely that you have a dairy allergy. Another tip is to reduce stress by getting lots of exercise and getting out into nature whenever you can. Stress can trigger eczema flare-ups, and it's important to keep stress under control. Finally, try to keep your house at a cooler temperature and use a humidifier to add moisture into the air. This can help to prevent your skin from becoming too dry and itchy. In conclusion, there are many herbs and remedies that can be used to treat eczema naturally. Hopefully now you have a better idea of how to tackle this condition and clear up your skin. Please remember that I am not a doctor, and this video is for educational purposes only. If you have any medical concerns, then please speak to your healthcare professional. Please like and share this video if you think it will help someone else, and stay tuned for my latest health and nutrition tips. Thanks for watching, and I wish you great health, wealth, and happiness.